All right, so I'm here waiting for stretching. Even Charlie couldn't go out potty because we were waiting for you guys to do stretching. All right, so every day at 3 o'clock, Friday for the F.A.S.T.E.R Fit regime, 15 minutes workout, Rollersizer Fit Club. It's every day, 6 days a week at 3 o'clock. What is the F.A.S.T.E.R system? The F.A.S.T.E.R system is what the Rollersizer uses to help people get fit faster. So Monday is F, and for 15 minutes, I learn how to use the Rollersizer for fat burning. So you can be on your back, moving in a certain way, and get sort of a cardio effect. Now, 15 minutes isn't long enough, but 20 is. But at least you're learning what the Rollersizer can do by emulating most. It's a voicemail. I wonder if it's somebody who wants to know more about the F.A.S.T.E.R Fit system and getting fit faster, so you don't have to waste your time at the gym trying to figure out how to get fit faster. And anyway, back to the F.A.S.T.E.R system. So F, fat burning on Monday, 3 o'clock. Tuesday is abs, F-A, abs. So we just focus on core, 15 minutes. And the difference between this kind of workout versus maybe coming and doing a one-to-one personal training, there's a lot of time wasted with, hi, how are you? What's been going on? Here's my life, da, 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 da. As a personal trainer for almost 20 years, a lot of my time was getting into the door, getting to the client, getting set up in the room, going through what's going on. But now what I've learned is if it's just strictly pure fitness, 15 minutes, you can get a lot done. So when my online classes start, it'll be 30 minutes, but they'll be just like, hi, how are you? Let's go. So that's my thing. Okay, Wednesday, which is today, stretching. It's my favorite day. And I just played tennis. I was highly stressed out. Everything in my body got tight, including my mind and the person on the other side of the court that I wanted to eat. Stretching is what keeps you young. It keeps your body flexible and your joints, your tendons, your ligaments healthy. So 15 minutes of stretching every Wednesday. And maybe every day of your life, just saying. Thursday, so F-A-S, it starts with a T. Toning and tightening up things. So if your butt is sagging or dropping down, or your thighs have got bloopy little skins on the inside thighs, or maybe your arms are like got a little bit too much bye-bye going on. We got to go bye-bye to the arms. The chest, getting the chest perky, lifted, beautiful posture. Toning is I pick one muscle, kind of our body part, and focus on that. E, that's on Friday. E is energy. That's like hitting the body with every muscle, just feeling energized for 15 minutes. And by the way, for those of you who don't work out on a regular basis, doing 15 minutes is a great step to start to introduce a discipline. Now, some of you are saying, well, at 3 o'clock I work, or at 3 o'clock I go shopping, or at 3 o'clock I got this. Yeah, you got excuses coming out the door. But even if you don't do it, why do you think magazines with the title in the front that says better belly, blaster, ab, saggy, butt, lifting, toning, and people buy these magazines, they flip through the pages and they see the exercises. Well, you could be watching this and seeing great tips on how to get fit faster in 15 minutes. And of course, using the Rollersizer, because even though a lot of people don't know about it yet, which is my job, the Rollersizer keeps you fit faster because it makes exercising easier. And that brings us to Saturday. Fitness is really important if you are relaxed and if things are starting to tighten up or feel sore. You kind of need to rehab it. Now listen to it. Rehab it. So rehab is when you got to fix something and have some rehab. But to rehab it means Saturday we focus on fixing things that might be tight, sharing the new habits that we want to rehab it, and relax into it. because most of fitness and any of our goals is really comes from up here. If you don't want to do it, you can't do it. It's got to come from here. You got to have the ability to say, I am going to do it. So that's the F.A.S.T.E.R Fit system, and it's now 3:21, and I'm going to stretch because I know the importance of putting a little bit of fitness into my life. And today is Wednesday, and it's stretching. Maybe I'll videotape it. Take off my tennis gear. The F.A.S.T.E.R Fit system here at the Rollersizer. And yeah, I'm Lizzie Trindade, and I'm now an online personal trainer. And yes, I still go to the homes, but I only drive about 25 minutes max here in Southwest Florida. All right, guys, bye.